Welcome to Midwest Wanderer, where we explore nature, history, and culture along America's scenic and historic highways and byways. I'm Skip.
A while back, the folks at Visit Kenosha asked if Skip and I would like to go on a Kenosha Charter Boat Association fishing excursion on Lake Michigan. And my answer was, well, it sounds like fun, but I haven't fished since I was in high school. And even then, someone else baited the hook. But they assured me I needed no experience at all. So, yeah, sign me up. So the morning of our excursion, we met at the boat harbor on Simmons Island at 5:30 a.m. Early morning. 3 boats were part of our excursion that day. Skip and I shared a boat with another travel writer and her husband and a couple of other folks. With everyone and all the equipment aboard, Captain Russ piloted the boat out of the harbor. Once we were out of the harbor and into open water, he picked up the speed. I just loved the feel of a speedboat zipping through the water. The sun, mixed with a cool breeze on my face, felt really good on that June morning. Well, after we reached the point where we'd be fishing from, and I have no idea how they determined that, Captain Russ started setting up several fishing rods, placing them into holders on the sides of the boat.
Yeah.
Then it was just a matter of waiting for the bobbers to indicate we had a bite. So the only thing we had to do, besides enjoy the snacks and the beverage that they brought aboard, was to reel in the fish when there was a bite. Well, the fish started biting before long, and I was maybe third in line to reel a fish in. So when it was my turn and I started reeling, I could tell from the tension on the line the fish was surprisingly strong. But I reeled and reeled and reeled, and finally I could see the fish just below the water. And Russ swooped in with a net when the fish came out of the water, and he took care of all the rest. I caught I think it was a coho salmon. Once all of the boats in our group were in, we all headed to a nearby restaurant, a restaurant right on the water, the Boathouse Pub and Eatery. And the restaurant's chefs prepared the fish that we caught, and we had a wonderful feast. And couldn't get any fresher than that, of course. So would I do it again? Would I go on another Lake Michigan fishing excursion? Absolutely. If you'd like to plan your own trip, you can check out their website at KenoshaCharterBoat.com. It would make a wonderful Father's Day outing.